Yeah, so what's going on, guys? You know, got a little hungry, so I stopped by over here at this place called Mel's. Matter of fact, let's check out the pool real quick while I wait on my food. So we got the pool area over here. Bam. You get your laps on and stuff. We got a couple of lifeguard present. So you people who can't swim, y'all can feel safe. You know what I mean? So yeah, like I said, another view of the city from over here. Boom. Boom. Yeah, so I'm just over here waiting on my food, I guess. Just ordered this food, this place called Mel's. Matter of fact, let me go over here and shout them out one time. If y'all want some burger or anything like that, pull up over here. I'm sorry, sister. Bam. Mel's. Overtime, bro. Pull up. This is the kind of stuff they got in here. Bam. Burgers, hot dogs, wings, fries, salad, wraps, bowls. You know, name it, they got it. What up, Coach?
Sir, are you taking a video?
Yes, sir.
Are you too?
Uh-huh. So yeah, this is a truck right here. They do catering, you feel me? So like I said, if y'all want some of that stuff I just mentioned, they'll also do catering. That's the number right there. Bam. Check out this little artwork they got over here. Bam. See that? We are Overtown. So yeah, man. Let me go check up on this food. See what they talking about.
Oh, I thought you saw me.
Nah, I'm calling you. I didn't call you, but yeah, your phone registered.
You say you didn't call me?
Alright, good work.
Take the headphones up and let me hear you.
Alright,
Enjoy, big bro.
good.
Be easy, yeah?
Yes, sir. You see it, brother? You still got the same mask?
Yeah, same number.
Alright. Word.
I called you.
Come on.
So yeah, man. I just got the food right now. About to go check it out. Sit over here one time. Boom. Got my lemonade over here. Looking nice and cold. Boom. See what's in the bag. Got your napkin. Get down dirty with the burger. Go ahead and clean yourself up right after. So, boom. Wow. There you go, guys. Look at that. Woo! That thing looking juicy. So, let me put this damn camera down somewhere. Alright, there you go. Boom. Now let's see what they got over here. Put some ketchup on these fries one time. Yeah, man. This is another thing I missed about this place. Getting some food from over here during the football game. I know some of y'all are like, why he pouring fries all over, ketchup all over his fries like that? Why don't he just make a ketchup little thing and dip it on it? Well, guess what? Different strokes for different folks, you know what I mean? So, I'm also the type to eat my fries with the fork, especially when it's ketchupy like this. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah, good, huh, boy?
Yeah, I did the fries. See what this burger talking about. Boom. Nice little burger. Juicy. Cooked right. Temperature good. Now, look at this. I wish y'all could taste this right now. Look at this Arnold Palmer they got going on. Yeah, man. Spot's pretty chill. And as you can see, it ain't gotta be no football game or any event for you to get something to eat from over here. Y'all can just pull up anytime or hit them up with that phone number if y'all need some catering from them, you know what I mean? Let me get another sip, because that thing is fire. Look at this burger. Yeah, man. Nice size burger. Not too small, not too gigantic. If you really want a gigantic burger, you know, and then that's why you're eating the game, because you're gonna miss your whole game. You know what I mean? Fries are good. It tastes like fresh cut fries. So I could be wrong, but it tastes good. That's what counts. We're gonna kill this burger before I get too full off of these fries. Yeah, good amount of fries. Some people give you a burger and then give you like 8 fries. I be hating those places. Yeah, man. So, y'all ever in Overtown, get hungry, pull up a Mel's right here inside the Gibson Park. Let's get you a burger, wing, whatever. Amazing. So you can see, I'm a quiet eater. I don't really be talking when I'm eating, you know what I mean? So, bear with me. Woo. Some fries. Here it is, you guys. Last bite. Or two. Fine. Dip in a little ketchup. Yeah, but this burger, fry, and the IT combo. It's a good little combo. They should name this the Messiah Vlogger Special. So, amazing. Yeah, man. So, like I said, good amount of fries. So, I'll probably take the rest home or give it to somebody. You know what I mean? Because I'm not the type to waste food and stuff like that. So, well, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.